Hey, it's RealgamingR. Gamrombo asked me to check out their controller. Let's get started. Ignore the brown, hairy hands. They also wanted me to unpack it on camera, so here it is. Right out of the box, it looks pretty good. The LED lights are the first thing you notice when you turn it on. Pause. It gives off that gaming setup feel instantly. Build quality feels alright. Not fancy, but not cheap either. It's somewhere in the middle, but I'd say it feels like you can grip the controller better than with the originals. Here's the ASMR of the buttons being pressed. Yeah, they're a bit louder than a normal PS5 controller, not gonna lie. And no, this isn't sponsored. If it were, I'd have to say that at the start, so everything I'm saying is just from using it over the past week. With that out of the way, here's what you actually get with the controller. It's wireless, works on PS5 and PC, and setup is pretty straightforward. You've got vibration and motion controls, so it still feels interactive when you're playing. There are also macro and turbo functions that let you program buttons or spam inputs faster, which can be useful depending on what you play. And yeah, the RGB lighting is customizable, to an extent. After all, it comes in a few preset colors. Not necessary, but it does look okay. You've also got a standard headphone jack, but no built-in mic, so you'll need a headset if you're talking in-game. Now, being real, it's good, especially for the price, but it's not as good as the official PS5 controller in terms of immersion. For example, when I was testing in GT7, it couldn't detect when I was fully turned right or left. It can tell most of the time when I'm at least 80% with the motion control settings on. You don't really get that same next-gen feel, like the advanced haptics and adaptive triggers you find in the official PS5 controller. And small things like the buttons being a bit louder or it not feeling as refined, you do notice it after a while. Like for me, some of the buttons did feel different. Might be just mine, if you want to give it the benefit of the doubt, that is. That said, for a budget controller, it actually holds up better than I expected. I'd rate it a 7.5 at the lowest, and a potential to be an 8 if it were more fine-tuned or consistent. I'd say it's a fine buy if you want to pay half the price. This was my first review, so thanks for watching, and hopefully I get to do another soon. See you around.